I Believe in Stars by Grace. My childhood was marked by several memories. I remember trying to catch fireflies in the backyard of what was our home then, thinking they were stars, but I quickly discovered that it was too hard to keep a hold of a firefly's beating wings and scurrying legs. Each of those glittering insects struggling with its entire tiny life to leave my presence. The weariness of those evenings is comparable to that which I experience today when trying to reach out for friends. Now that I've grown up, the stars that light my nights send never fading light, just as the friends I made lighten my life. I believe in the stars I share my life with. 3 years ago, my best friend died a few days after I started school. I was growing up and becoming a reckless teenager, and I had just lost the one person I respected as far as wisdom was concerned. Ever since I can remember, I've always been a reserved person, always keeping everyone shut out from my personal life with a wall I built too strongly and too high. Stinging pain from that loss quickly came an intense fear, the kind that rips one's heart open with the certainty that you will live in the same situation forever. I went out for a walk one cold evening. When I stepped out, I saw a shooting star, one of the most beautiful I ever saw. Thought of that as my friend sending me a blessing, wishing me to tear down my walls, or at least leave a ladder up for someone who wants to take the climb. Immersed in thoughts as I wandered around, I realized that even while gone, her light still shone in my life. The stars looked so beautiful that night. They made me wish to paint a self-portrait, to capture a moment that would wrap it all up, stars, me, and friends. I wanted to save that picture that represents stars as friends and hope as much as I wanted to keep her in my life. Since then, I keep saving those moments when stars shine brighter than any earthly sorrow. Upon thinking of all that, I realized how I had deprived my world of shiny stars. I broke out from the blob of hopelessness and opened my eyes to see all the stars that had long been cast from my sight. I opened my spirit to feel their light on my soul. Even though the dirtiness of this world can make angels weep, I refuse to see any reason not to smile as long as stars shine. I would never blink again if it was the only way to watch the stars. I believe in stars, the uncountable glittery dots that I lay down and virtually paint in the inky night sky and save the picture, and the ones I lay on the back, hold their hand and tell my story.